Alright, so, hi guys, and again, One University Challenge Day 3, and so basically, I'm gonna go to work mamaya. Ayun, nakapambahay pa lang ako, pero, mamaya pa ako 15 minutes, I'll be going to work. So, ayun, so still going strong with the One University Challenge, sandaan na pagkakasya ko naman to, pero, takina, ayun lang talaga eh. Baka mapakomit ako ngayon eh. Pero yun nga, nataubos siya sa gas and sa um, parking. Laki ng parking, 50 pesos. So, ayun. What I've been doing is just, I'm just having packed lunch for lunch and dinner. Sa bahay na lang. So, ayun. Later, tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. Baka may magyaya. Mga tangin ang magyaya yan. Susumpa ko yung magyaya sa akin ngayon. Kasi sobrang hirap talaga na ipagkasya ng 100 sa isang araw. Kailangan i-correct ko na lang yung mathematical equation ko, okay? Kasi na-point out ko rin sa isang video. Sablay na naman eh. Pero ito, okay. So, 100 pesos for 5 working days. That's 500 per week. Sa isang buwan pala, sorry. Sa isang buwan, merong 4 na week. So, that's 500 times 4. That would be 2,000. Pero sabihin natin 7. 2,800. Sorry. Ayun. So, I've got that clarified already. That's 2,800 pesos per month. Okay. So, ngayon, sobrang hirap mahalin talaga. Hindi ko pa rin makita yung fruit of my labor since I've been paying a lot of credit card bills. And, ayun. Cellphone bill pa pala. And tas yung ilang insurance ako, ano bang ginawa ko sa insurance niya. Pero 1.5 kaltas na every month din. So fuck it. Man, fuck that. Anyway, balitaan ko na lang kayo later. I'm gonna post this in my fucking blog. That's tanchi.blogspot. Mali, tanchi.tumblr.com, okay? So, just sit back, relax. I'll see you on the flip side. I'll be posting this later, so don't go away. Yeah.